So we got this 0906 here, cyber gray. It's got some very nice wheels on it. What do you think it's going to make, Matt?
The same bone stock.
It's got
Haltech
intake and I believe a Corsa exhaust.
What'd you say? 485.
If you're indecisive, I'm going to guess ahead of you. I'm going 495.
Oh, that puts you in a real fun spot. Dick.
Because the last cyber gray car that we had in here with a Haltech made 494 or so.
Maybe a 501.
Oh shit. Okay.
501. It's a little bit too steep, but we'll see.
That's header numbers, but I think it's gonna get
That is header numbers. Not good at all.
So this thing's getting a stage 4?
Stage Quattro.
Sick. How'd your Halloween thing go over the weekend?
All right. You know, for a self-proclaimed #1 haunted attraction in the United States, it was kind of lackluster. But I mean, like the attractions, like were cool, like stuff like that. But the actors were so lazy. They just walk up behind you and just kind of breathe on you. They don't do nothing.
They just breathe on you?
I'm telling you, they don't do nothing. They just say the stupidest stuff. One dude, I swear to God, the one theme of this one room you went through is like a chop shop, like an automotive chop shop. And I'm walking through, and he's like, "You probably like Snap-on tools, don't you?" I'm like, "What? What?"
Dude,
I'm like, "Yeah, okay."
You probably like Snap-on tools.
I was like, "What?" I was like, yeah, cool, dude. Scary.
I can't imagine why they would say that.
I don't know.
I'm trying to think of like anything that would
So
make that
if
make
you work
sense.
at Field of Screams in Lancaster, and that was you, you need to do better. Deep fried Oreos is pretty good though.
I've never had deep fried Oreos.
Oh, they're good. They also have chocolate covered cheesecake on a stick.
That sounds really good.
It's good, but after 2 bites, I think I'm gonna die. Oh, there he goes.
Jesus.
Matt drops it.
I was stuck out my big toe on that one.
Oh, that's nice.
What? Oh.
Just came out of there.
Yeah, it was hard to get on there.
Eric's little dickhead dog that I've been watching for the entire 47 days they went on the honeymoon wakes me up last night at 2 o'clock in the morning. And I go downstairs.
What happens to stop?
It's hit or miss.
Sometimes I let, or does he need to go out?
I don't know. Sometimes I let him out and he won't even go outside. Or he just goes outside and then barks at the door to come back inside. So I let him out. He runs outside, comes right back. So I'm like, oh, cool. He must have took a quick piss. Well, he won't come into the house. I try to go out and grab him, he runs away from me. So he knows I'm gonna put him back in the kennel.
He's got energy.
I literally had to turn all the lights off in my house, hide behind my couch in my living room, and wait till the f***ing asshole walked in, and I had to surprise attack him and grab him.
How long did that take?
15 minutes. It's 2 o'clock in the morning.
I would have the brain power to do it. Like, all right, you want to be outside? You stay outside then.
If I didn't love dogs so much and it wasn't Eric.
That Taco Bell to go.
I'm getting Taco Bell first. I'm done. I'm gonna sit in my truck and enjoy Taco Bell and then go into Home Depot and get my.
I only like getting Taco Bell when they're super busy.
I never like getting Taco Bell. Disgusting.
Well, if they're really busy, then you know you're getting fresh otherwise.
There's nothing fresh about Taco Bell. Except the diarrhea you get afterwards.
Because if you get like crunchy tacos when they're not busy, you're gonna get some soggy up. But if you get crunchy tacos when they're busy as actually, they're pretty good. Installed.
Installed. That's
That it? A quote from Bill this morning. Get export none to my blower.
Yeah?
And get my brick reinforced.
Libre.
What did he call you?
Kyle Libre.
Oh. It'll be real nice if we got a tool sponsorship.
Yes, IR tool sponsorship.
IR tool sponsorship?
Milwaukee, hit us up.
Yeah, we're Milwaukee.
Big fans.
Matt, when's that Whipple coming?
Yeah, Matt, when's the Whipple coming?
Yeah, Matt, when's the Whipple coming? Probably should have sat in.
I don't know, you have to ask the boys over at American Muscle.
He came in with a muffler, so he just put the mufflers on backwards. So he's got to swap them around. We should be good to go. The fit is absolutely terrible.
Yeah, you can really see the plastic melt.
Yeah, which is weird. I'm like, I've never seen that on a course ever. Like, why are they so pushed out? I don't know if I can sneak these out without taking the rest of the exhaust down. Certainly can. Pizza.
There's a big difference.
Pizza, pizza. Yeah, obviously. Listen, I knew something was weird. I mean, look at that. I mean, get that up out of the way. Like that. Yeah. There you go. One thing to look out for if you're putting on your Corsa mufflers. That's how you know which one's which. On for the tips will always be on the outermost side of the muffler. So if you put them on and the tips are, these are in flip-flopped where the shorter space is on the inside instead of the outside. You put them on backwards. Because they don't tell you when you get in front of them. They don't tell you.
As you see, there's a little bit of plastic mounted to both of them. Intake and throttle body thrown on. All black this time, no red. Is this thing getting valve covers also?
It is not. I mean, initially it was a stage 4, but the guy wanted to do a clutch too. We're at baseline, when we're done, it should be in the area where you're gonna need a clutch pretty soon. So he opted to do that while I was here, so got that done first.
Gotcha.
So this thing should be ready to rip.
Well, this is officially our first
sponsor, yep.
Sponsored product here. Our new friends at Rocket Prep. Ooh!
Is it a banner?
Ooh!
Shirts?
Yeah, dude, they hooked it up.
Oh shit.
Fucking badass. Awesome. Thank you guys.
Highly
Got that other box,
appreciate that.
Kyle. Let's see what this stuff's looking like. We do be having some cars blowing the tire off on the dyno.
Going real large.
So I'm hoping
Stage 5 packages.
hoping this helps.
That batter's sick.
Oh yeah.
Look, it's huge.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Nice.
Yeah, that'll last.
Big John.
That'll last us a little while.
Yeah, I spoke with the guy over the phone. He was awesome. Super cool guy.
Superior surface glue.
I'd like to get a smell.
Give it a
Smells.
smell.
See what it smells
The
like.
smell test. What's it smell like?
Ooh, smells serious.
Smell sticky?
Woo! This one's a lot more potent. Can't really spill it all over the dyno. That fresh refill.
All right,
Awesome.
let's get the on there.
Yep. And we've got this first test car here is going to be our, I believe it's stage 4 Z06 here.
Beautiful stage 406 here. This
Yeah.
is sick.
Again, thank you to our friends over at Rocket Track Products. You can go ahead and use code RPM on their website if you're interested in getting any traction compounds. Whether you're street racing, maybe you have your own dyno, go check it out.
I made 472 baseline. Yeah, I was just talking for 3 minutes and the camera wasn't recording. This is a 09 C6Z, Cyber Gray. Came from Texas. This thing's sick. It's got some badass wheels and shit. It's got 29,000 miles. I don't know if I already said that because I feel like I'm repeating myself because I am. It had a Haltech on it when it got here. Got a full stage 4 with a clutch. So our full head scan package, 2-inch Mexican Racing headers. It already had a Haltech on it. Got a Mamo MSD, Nick Williams 103, 60-pound injectors, and a Monster LT1S triple. Let's see what she does. This thing feels strong. It sounds sick. It's got Corsa on it. It's ready. Super fat, but I stayed in it just so I could get a pull. It was like 10 in the 10s, 10.8. 622, 529. Yeah, I don't know if this thing will make 640, but it might. Made 622. I had an okay amount of timing in it, so I don't know if it'll pick up that much just from fueling, but we'll see. Cars, when they have a nice wheel on them, they're just classy. It just looks so much better. Not even necessarily that it looks better, it just looks different. So many like C6Zs just have stock wheels on them. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that because the stock wheels are pretty sick, but when you put a badass wheel on it, it just looks that much better. This thing's pretty sick. It came from like Houston area, I think. Midland, Texas, wherever the hell that is. So, if you're in that area, come race this thing. Pretty cool. We really also don't get a ton of Cyber Gray. Like, I feel like everyone we do is black, red, and silver. Like, we rarely get blues. We get some yellows, but like, I swear more than 50% of them are black, red, or silver. Like, I want someone to, in the comments, to break down the number of black, red, and silver C6Zs they made over all the other colors. I bet you it's over 50% for them 3 colors. Look at that idle on the screen, boy. I think it's jumping like 5 RPM. I need to learn how to drive this thing better. It's the second time I've stalled it. need new laptops all the time for tuning. Because the USBs get worn out because you f***ing plug in and out 300 times a day. $628, $527 is about where it's gonna stay. Not really much more I can get out of it. I'm gonna flash it, and then since it is Friday at like just about 5 o'clock, I'll finish it Monday morning. Okay, bye. I think all we had left was cold pull on this, right? Yeah. All right, let's see what it does. What are you doing, bro? What are you doing? Yeah. I warmed it up for a half hour ago. F***ing sitting there on grinder. Make another one. Little less. 628, 527 final. That's it.